The month of June is almost here. With that, the much anticipated Lok Sabha elections 2024 results are also set to be declared on June 4th. Markets will be closely watching the elections, and any reaction is bound to have an impact on your investment portfolios. Well, besides that, there are some more money tasks that you need to keep an eye on this month. So, here are 8 important changes that will impact you during this month. Number 1. Keep an eye on Lok Sabha elections 2024 results. On June 4th, the Lok Sabha election results will be declared and the new government will be sworn in after the results. Investors are advised to adopt a cautious but a proactive approach around the voting results. In such situations, you must maintain a balanced portfolio, avoid speculative trades, and focus on the long term goals. Number 2. Nomination for existing individual investors. Providing nomination or opting out confirmation has already been mandated in the case of new mutual fund investors for folios created on October 1st, 2022. Nomination in folios held by investors where folios have been created prior to October 1st, 2022 must be compiled with on or before June 30th, 2024 by either submitting nominee details or by providing an opt-out declaration. If the details are not registered within the stipulated timelines, transactions like redemptions, systematic withdrawal plan, switch, systematic transfer plan will not be permitted in such folios from July 1st, 2024. June 15 is the deadline for the first advance tax installment. If you are a salaried individual and think the advance tax provision is not applicable to you, you're wrong. Advance tax liability may arise for a person having salary as the primary source of income, but also drawing income from other sources such as interest from deposits, rental income, capital gains, and so on. So you need to assess your advance tax liability. If you miss the advance tax payments or delay them, there is a penal charges on the tax dues under section 234C at the rate of 1% per month, part of the month. Number 4. Get ready to file your income tax returns for FY 23-24. While you have time till July 31st to file your returns, you will receive your Form 16 from your employers and banks by June 15th. You can start poring over your bank and capital gain statements, salary slips, and so on in June. This will help prevent the last minute rush and any resultant mistakes. Once you obtain your Form 16, you can initiate the process instead of waiting till July 31st to ensure that any IT return filing portal glitch or heavy traffic closer to the due date do not hamper this exercise. Number 5. HDFC Bank to stop SMS alerts for low value UPI transactions. From June 25th, HDFC Bank customers will not get SMS alerts for any UPI spend below Rs 100 or receipt of money credit less than 500 rupees. Email alert for all transactions will be continued to be delivered, the bank added, reiterating that the customers should update their primary email to receive all the notifications. This decision is based on the feedback on low value transactions, as the apps through which the UPI transaction is carried out sends the alert as well. Number 6. BOB's One Credit Cards Revision in Charges. From June 23rd, Bank of Baroda's one co-branded credit card issued by Bob Card Limited will have revised charges. In the cases of delays in payments or part payments or using the cards for payments beyond the set credit limit, the bank has increased the charges levied. If there has been no payment or a payment less than the minimum amount due by the payment due date, the bank levies a late payment charges based on the credit card holder's outstanding amount as per the bank's grid. The revised charges are between Rs 250 and Rs 1250. Number 7. Swiggy HDFC Bank Credit Card revises cashback structure. Effective from June 21st, any cashback earned will be reflected in the credit card statement rather than appear as a Swiggy money on the Swiggy app. This means the cashback will reduce the statement balance for the next month. For instance, if your statement is generated on 21st of each month, the cashback earned over the previous month will appear in your statement and reduce the amount you have to repay. Number 8. No reward points for rent transactions on Amazon Pay ICICI Bank Credit Card. For Amazon Pay ICICI Bank Credit Card users, a 1% reward point was given on making rent payments. However, from June 18th onwards, no reward points will be credited on rent payment transactions through this card.